Hi everybody. To start an MG Hector car, you need to press the start stop button that you see here. And the car would start. Make sure that you press the brake while you start the car. Currently this is a automatic car, so it's in park mode. This also has a handbrake. This is a handbrake, so to release the handbrake you'll have to just press it. Currently it is in activated state, so when you press it, let me just press that, so you would get a message that it is released. So now to drive the car, all you have to do is to press this button and put on the drive mode, and the car would go to the front.